A well-stocked Tulare grocery store should have everything you want and a whole lot you don't. That includes various slip and fall hazards from things like produce rolling into the aisle, pasta sauces falling off the shelf, leaky refrigeration units, and more. If you're lucky, you may get through a slip and fall without major injury, but it can and does happen. California's premises liability means that businesses are responsible for keeping a safe shopping environment for their customers. That means that if your slip and fall at a Tulare grocery store comes with hefty medical costs, it's their responsibility to pay the bill. So if you or someone you love is involved in a grocery store slip and fall, notify staff right away. Take pictures of the hazard that caused the fall and ask witnesses for contact information. Document your medical costs and follow all doctor's instructions to the letter. Then contact the Tulare offices of Maison Law. At Maison Law, our experienced slip and fall attorneys know what it takes to win fair compensation for your injuries. Call Maison Law today for a free consultation and case assessment.